Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KuCoin. Every year, KuCoin gives us very nice buy the dip opportunities by forming different harmonic moves. Currently, it has formed a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley move, and before this, it formed a big harmonic bullish reversal a shark move on the weekly time frame. And let me to show you first this move, then I'll take you to the current move to show you and share with you the next targets. And this chart I shared on 24th of June at the Patreon, and the next move, this is the current one, I shared on 17th of December. Now, first I'm just going to play this chart, the harmonic bullish reversal shark move, and you can see that the price line at that time in the month of June completed the final leg. We had a very nice support of the 100 simple moving average, and we also had a price support at $12.50. At that time, it was moving at $34. But the 100 simple moving average was just below the price line, and it was working as a very strong support for the price line for the long term on this weekly time frame. Therefore, I suggested my members that we can use this 100 simple moving average as a stop loss, because I was not expecting that it will move more down than this 100 simple moving average. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line did not break down the 100 simple moving average on this weekly time frame and reversed bullish. And this was a very powerful reversal, hit the sell targets, rallied up to $66.8, $66.80. That was more than 150%. And now during this drop, while moving down, it has formed another harmonic move. Now this time it has formed harmonic bullish reversal Garley move, and this is the move that I shared on 17th of December. And this was a really very low risk and high reward trading idea because the price line was at the very end of the buying zone, and this maximum potential of this buying zone or this Garley move is our stop loss as well. That is 25.2 cents, and you can see at that time it was moving at $26 $25.02, and it was moving at that time at $26.33. Now, our sell targets as per this Garley move are $46.53 and goes to $59.81. Now, I've played the chart, and you can see that the price line has started its reversal from this buying zone of a very big harmonic bullish reversal Gardner move. And by the way, this chart is also this move is also formed on the weekly time frame. And but we are still moving in the buying zone. So far, we had rallied up to $30.58. But our targets are very far right now, and I'm expecting that soon it will achieve these targets. Like every year, it does that. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then we can see that we have a very nice support of the 200 simple moving average. Previously, when I showed you my previous chart, that was a support of the 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. But this time we have a stronger support because this is the 200 weekly simple moving average support, and the price line is being accumulated above this support. Therefore, this time the reversal can be more powerful than the previous reversal, and we can expect that the price line will even cross up this maximum sell zone as well. Now, if I place a trend line here from this candlestick up to this current candlestick and switch it to the daily time frame, then we can see that we have also found a resistance line here. I am expecting that unless the price line will not break down this resistance line, we cannot expect any big move, and I am expecting that soon it can break it out because this is basically a falling wedge pattern that is considered to be a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. And we are going to the end of this falling wedge, and you can see that this wedge is getting squeezed and more squeezed. And after this hit at the support that was on 4th of December, the price line is not hitting this support of the falling wedge. And here price line has found another support, and this movement is getting more and more squeezed. Therefore, the breakout is expected very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.